Hey friends, Coach Ernie here. Let's first of all take a look at the markets. Here we have the S&P index, and although we're up today, we have what looks like the makings for a reversal candle. Now we need to get above this close and hopefully above the high here. Otherwise, we're going to turn this into what may be a what's called a black candle or a reversal candle, a gap up and then a close below the open. Now it's a very, very different story on the Dow. The Dow, we are up. There is a little bit of a tail here, but we're looking to break above this previous high. Now, in terms of volume profile, we've got good support underneath. Dow looks in better shape than the S&P. All right, so let's talk about where we're going with this channel. Where we're going with this channel is an exercise in trading dynamics, trading modeling, understanding what your probability for profit is, what your expected return on capital, how to dial that in. I mean, there's nothing worse than trading and really not understanding. One of the principal reasons why most people fail at trading is because they don't know what to expect. Now, you may think that, well, how can you possibly know what to expect with stocks and options and futures? I mean, you don't know what the market's going to do. And that's true. I mean, we cannot predict when those outliers happen, when bad things, black swans, we just don't know. But those are our outliers, and we can protect against them. And so the key here is then to build a model, a predictive model, that takes into account those things, those outliers, and concentrates on the meat and how we can approach that in a predictive way, how we can dial in what our potential for profit is and what our return on capital is. And when you can do that and combine that with some execution skills, I mean, it's important to get disciplined. I mean, it's one thing to have a plan, and then it's another if you're not practiced and skilled at it. So we'll cover that as well. But once you have that model in mind, and it is relatively deterministic, and you can execute well, you'll start developing confidence. And there is nothing in this world that is the greater combatant to fear and all those emotions that grind up than having confidence in what you're doing. And that's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you the professional way to trade stocks, options, futures, and also Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin, I think we're going to stick to primarily the futures aspect of it. And from that, you can expect what I hope will be a brighter future in your trading career. We'll also talk about something bigger picture. You know, what trading is in fact a business. If it's a hobby for you, that means that you're not expecting to make money. That you're out there just to, hey, learn this or that, and it'd be fun. Trading is a business, and you need to approach it like a business. And so we'll cover aspects of trading like that. So the very first thing that I'm going to cover in the next video is the concept of probability of profit and your return on capital, and how to dial in the proper trade-off, because there are huge trade-offs. The more risk that you're willing to take, the greater chance for return, also the greater chance for losses too. So you're going to need to know how to put those two together and then choose strategies that actually have a chance for you to make money. And once you have that confidence, it's going to, and you can trade in a systematic way, it's going to open up unbelievable doors for you. And then we'll put that all together in the context of knowing your business. And man, you're going to be rolling then. See you next video.